Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the Real Brown03 coming at you with a unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new DJI Air 2S. The drone just came out a couple days ago, so I was stopped in the Best Buy and got it. So I'm going to do an unboxing video for you. So first off, on the top of the box, on the front, you see DJI Air 2S. I did get the Fly More combo, so you had the drone, the extra 2 batteries, and a couple other accessories. So on the front, you have the drone, the controller, and 2 batteries. See Fly More combo, the 1-inch camera sensor, and ADS-B air sense. Let's take a look what's on the inside. Alright. As soon as you go into the box, you have this nice DJI branded case for the drone. And you have a box of accessories. So in accessories, you get a nice little quick start guide. And this is where you will find, so in accessories, you'll find a disclaimer safety guidelines booklet. You have accessories user guide. You have your propellers. So it comes with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pairs of propellers, which is good because it takes 4 per. So you basically have 3 usage of propellers. Right here, this is your ND filters that go on the camera lens in the sunlight. You have your cables, USB Type-C, Type-A, cables and adapters. You have some extra thumbsticks for the controller. And you have a USB to USB-C cable. Put that to the side. Alright, and then here we have the back. Open the back, a nice bag. Same bag that you got with the Mavic Air 2. So right here, this right here is your batteries and your charger. Here you have the controller. So you see it's still brand new. I just left Best Buy from getting this. So let you know this is a brand new unboxing video. This is the charging cradle for the batteries, so you can charge all 3 batteries simultaneously. And the one we've all been waiting for, we have the DJI Air 2S. Wow, this thing is amazing. I love the new lights on the back. You have the back sensors on here. The 1-inch camera sensor, as you can see, 20 megapixel camera. The front sensors. And what's new about this? The top sensors. So you have the new top sensors also. And it comes with the battery on here. So you have 3 total batteries. Down the bottom, you have your bottom sensor. And that's all. And if you're familiar with DJI, the cases are awesome. They're good to carry around. Real sturdy. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. Remember, like, share, subscribe to my videos. Also, leave a comment down below. Thank you.